In this video, I'll show you how to transform your ordinary, boring footage into a cinematic video using Filmora Mobile by following a few simple steps. I'm currently inside Filmora Mobile, and I have this stock video that I want to turn into a cinematic sequence. Step 1, slow down your footage. To create that cinematic feel, slowing down your video is a simple but powerful technique. If your footage is already slow, consider slowing it down a bit more, but don't overdo it. You can adjust the speed values to your liking, just be careful not to go too far. There are also curve options in the speed section. These are pre-made presets, and they're especially helpful for creating montage-style videos. Next, let's add a smooth zoom-in effect. For this, we'll use keyframes. First, create a keyframe at the beginning of your video, and don't make any changes, just leave it as it is. Then, move to the end of the video and scale up the clip slightly to create that zoom-in motion. This gives your footage a clean, smooth, cinematic zoom effect. Now comes the most important part, color grading. This step can turn dull footage into a cinematic masterpiece. Tap on the filter option. Here you'll find various filters and adjustments to color grade your footage. You can manually tweak the colors to get the perfect look, but I recommend using pre-made filters. They're a huge time saver and give you great results. There are tons of LUTs available. Pick the one that suits your video the best. Try experimenting with them until you get the look you want. You can also adjust the opacity of the LUT to fine-tune the result. Next, add black bars, also known as cinematic bars. This simple touch instantly gives your video that cinematic vibe. To add them, go to Effects, then select Cinematic. There, you'll find multiple bar options to choose from. Finally, let's add background music. Filmora Mobile has a huge music library for you to explore. If your video is for personal use, feel free to pick music from the app. You can explore music based on beats, moods, or genres in the library. There are also sound effects that work great in cinematic sequences. Plus, Filmora now offers AI audio, letting you generate your own AI-based music. Once you've followed all these steps and added everything, here's the final result. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.